This is by far my favorite video so far. Not sure what happens with the audio. It's kind of interesting though. This is a dark-eyed Junco, which is a type of a sparrow I found out. He's just in here snacking away along with some of his buddies up and in and out. If you look carefully, on that rear feeder and that flat tray is my favorite namesake of the channel, the red-bellied woodpecker. If you watch carefully, he'll stay busy up there and then he'll surprise us. If you watch this video, it's so cool. It's almost like the birds are in slow motion as they're going in and out. Best part of the video right here. Guys, this is amazing. Thanks for checking out my video. Subscribe to my channel, Pecker's Paradise, for more fun. Catch you later.